Dear friends, today is period 4. We are learning the solution of first order and first degree differential equation. In this period, we know how to solve homogeneous equation. How to solve homogeneous equation. Before you read what is homogeneous equation of differential equation of first order and first degree, first we learn what is homogeneous function. What is homogeneous function? Dear students, let fxy is a function. F, x and y. F is a function of two variables, x and y. How we know this is homogeneous or not? Just we put tx in place of x and ty in place of y. We replace x by tx and y by ty. T is a real number and it is independent of x and y. If f tx ty expressed in the form t to the power n fxy, if f tx ty expressed in the form t to the power n fxy, then fxy is a homogeneous function of degree n. Then fxy is a homogeneous function of degree n. If fxy is not expressed in this form, then fxy is not a homogeneous function. For example, fxy is equal to x square plus 3xy plus y square. If we replace x by tx and y by ty, what is happened in the right hand side? Here t square x square plus 3tx ty, that is 3t square xy plus t square y square. So t square can be taken as common and here f tx ty is equal to t square fxy. So this is a homogeneous function of degree 2. Understand students? That means a function fxy is a homogeneous function of degree n if f tx ty can be expressed in the form t to the power n fxy. Now we study what is homogeneous equation in differential equation of first order and first degree. Let us consider a differential equation. Derivative of y with respect to x is equal to f x y by g x y. That is, right hand side of this equation is function of x and y. This equation is a homogeneous equation if both fxy and gxy are homogeneous function of same degree. I repeat again. This is a homogeneous differential equation if fxy and gxy are homogeneous function, not only homogeneous function but also same degree. Then this is a homogeneous equation. How to solve homogeneous equation? In previous class we studied how to solve by variable separable method. Today we learn how to solve homogeneous equation. To solve a homogeneous equation, we put y is equal to vx. By putting y is equal to vx, then we find what is the value of derivative of y with respect to x. We remove y, then this equation can be solved by variable separable method. So homogeneous equation is very simple to solve. When the equation is homogeneous, you just put y is equal to vx. Then derivative of y with respect to x is equal to v plus x, derivative of v with respect to x. Now we want to remove y from this equation by putting y is equal to vx. And now dy by dx is replaced by v plus x dv by dx is equal to f x, y is replaced by vx by g x, y is replaced by vx. Please see right hand side. Since both fxy and gxy are homogeneous function of same degree, here x must be cancelled from numerator and denominator, and right side is only function of v. Since fxy, gxy are homogeneous function of same degree, so x must be cancelled from numerator and denominator, and the right side of this equation is only function of v. I take it as phi v. Now x derivative of v with respect to x is equal to phi v minus v, function of v minus v. That means right hand side is only function of v. I take it as hv. I take it as hv. Now see students, now function of v dv and function of x dx can easily separated, and we solve it by variable separable method. Implies dv by hv is equal to dx by x. Function of v dv and function of x dx are separated. Now we can integrate both the sides to get the solution. By integrating both the sides, we get the solution, and then we put v by y by x to get the required solution. This is the process how to solve homogeneous equation. Now I give an example. Let us consider a differential equation x derivative of y with respect to x is equal to 2 is equal to y plus 2 into x e to the power minus y by x. Let us consider this equation. First we check this is a homogeneous equation or not. Implies derivative of y with respect to x is equal to y plus 2x e to the power minus y by x by x. Dear students, please see right hand side of this equation. Both numerator and denominator are homogeneous function of same degree or not. Put here x is, if x is replaced by tx and y is replaced by ty, what do we get? Ty by tx, t must be cancelled in the power of y. Here tx, here ty, t is taken as common. That means the numerator became t to the power 1 function of xy. That means this numerator is homogeneous function of degree 1. See the denominator here only x. If we replaced x by tx, then this is t to the power 1x. That means both numerator and denominator are homogeneous function. Not only homogeneous function, they are equal degree. And both are homogeneous function of same degree. Here degree is 1. So this is a homogeneous equation. How to solve homogeneous equation? I already tell we put y is equal to vx left, y is equal to vx implies derivative of y with respect to x is equal to v plus x. Derivative of v with respect to x implies now we put v plus x dv by dx in place of derivative of y with respect to x, and y is replaced by vx. So v plus x derivative of v with respect to x is equal to vx plus 2x e to the power minus vx by x divided by x. Now, since the numerator and denominator are homogeneous function of same degree, the right hand side of this equation, what I taken before as 5b, this is only function of v. X cancel in the power of y. Here also in numerator and denominator x is also cancelled. The right hand side is only function of v. What is the value? V plus 2 e to the power minus v. Imply I taken it before as 5b. Implies x derivative of v with respect to x is equal to, now v is cancelled from both sides. Its value is 2 into e to the power minus v. Now we can separate function of v dv and function of x dx and solve it by variable separable method. Implies dv by e to the power minus v is equal to 2 dx by x. Function of v dv and function of x dx separated. Now we integrate both the side. Implies integration of e to the power minus v becomes e to the power v dv is equal to 2 integration of dx by x. Implies what is the integration of e to the power v? Its integration is also e to the power v is equal to 2 the integration of dx by x, that is log x plus c. What is the value of v? We take y is equal to vx. So v is equal to y by x. Implies putting y by x in place of v, e to the power y by x is equal to 2 ln x plus c is the required solution. Is the required solution. So any homogeneous equation of first order and first degree can be solved only by this method easily. Now please, students, don't forget to subscribe, share and like my channel, and also don't forget to give the answer what is the order and degree of this function 2x square plus y square sin inverse x by y plus xy tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse y by x. My question is, this is a homogeneous function or not? If this is a homogeneous function, what is the degree of this homogeneous function? Please students, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to give the answer in comment box. What is the degree of this function? This is homogeneous function or not? If homogeneous function, what's its degree? It is a very easy question for you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Namaskar.